Good day, everyone. Mental health is just as important as health, but is often ignored or not understood. When we think about health, many people focus on exercise, diet, or physical illness. However, mental health is about our emotions, well being, and social connection. It affects how we think, feel, and behave every day. It also influences how we handle stress, relate to others, and make decisions. Today, many people, students feel stressed, unconscious, and pressured. Academic expectation, family responsibilities, social media comparisons, and personal challenges all contribute to this. While these pressures may seem normal, much stress without proper support can harm a person's mental health. One of the problems is that not everyone feels comfortable talking about their struggles. Some fear being judged, misunderstood, or labeled as weak. Because of this, mental health issues are often ignored until they become more serious. This is why raising awareness about health is crucial. Increasing awareness helps reduce stigma around health. When people understand health better, they become more open minded, supportive, and caring. Of judging someone, we begin to listen to them. Of ignoring, we start to care about their mental health to them. Of ignoring, we start to care about their mental health. Simple action can make a difference, like checking on a friend, asking, "Are you okay?" Listening without an interrupting, or encouraging someone to seek help when they need it their mental health. It's also important to remember that taking care of our health is not just for those who are struggling with mental health. Everyone should practice it. Simple habits like getting take, taking breaks, managing time well, and doing enjoyable activities can help maintain a healthy mind and good mental health. Talking to someone we trust, such as a friend, family member, or a teacher, can also provide support for our health. Schools and communities play a role in promoting mental health awareness, and supporting mental health. They can create spaces where individuals feel comfortable expressing themselves about their mental health. Guidance counselors, support groups, and mental health programs are resources can help students cope with their challenges and improve their mental health. We must learn to be kind not to others but also to ourselves and our mental health. Sometimes we are all taught as critics with pressure ourselves to be perfect or meet expectation. It is okay to make mistake. It is okay to rest. It is okay to ask for help with our mental health. Mental health awareness is essential for building and more understanding society that support mental health by educating ourselves, breaking the stigma around health, and supporting one another mental health. We can create an environment where everyone feels safe, valued, and heard. And let us continue to care for our health and look out for one another mental health. Thank you.